So I saw this picture, right? And I was like, that makes a lot of sense, so let me try it. Hi everyone, it's Lily. Welcome back to my channel. So today I will be trying a new technique that I saw on the internet. I found it on Pinterest actually. But I saw this picture and I was like, ooh, that's pretty. Let me try it. So I tried it already on TikTok, but I thought I would make like a pretty, not a long video, but like a longer video version of me trying it and show you the tricks that I learned doing it. So the first thing you want to do is to actually conceal the side of your mouth just like this. And I'm just using the other side of the powder puff and just blending it onto my lip. So it will give you very tiny lips, but trust the process. So then I'm going to take an eyeshadow palette. I'm using this one from e.l.f. and I'm gonna use this one for the shadow. And I'm using this tiny fluffy brush like this. Just gonna apply some of the shadow, like the triangle she did right here. So basically we want to create the effect that your lip is like going like this. So there's like a dip right here, and then on the cupid bow on top of it you want to create kind of like a shadow. You see the illusion of like the lips. It's really cool. In the middle right here on the bottom lip, and then right underneath the bottom lip, just like this. You don't want to do the full contour. And I'm taking a small angle brush and using this same concealer that I used earlier. I'm gonna put some on the back of my hand, pick up some with the brush, and just go right here to create a little bit more of shape. And on top right here, so basically anywhere that we didn't put the shadow. I'm just blending lightly with my finger. Then I'm gonna take a liquid lipstick, and this one is from L'Oreal. It's the color Prepared, and I guess I'm prepared for it. I'm just gonna go on top of the shadow. And you see, like, we have this shape going on. Then I'm gonna take my finger and just blend a little bit the edges. And then I'm gonna take the same palette that I used earlier, but the lighter shade, and apply it with a fluffy brush where I don't have the shadow. And this will give a nice little color to the lips without like playing with the shadow. Then on top, I'm just going to add some of the La Neige lip balm. I'm putting some on the back of my hand and just tapping on it just to add some moisture to the lips because they be looking dry right now. So the trick is to not like mix it with your lips together because then you'll lose the effect. Just like this, and that's how I get the lips to be like the shape. Actually, another trick is to take the same dark eyeshadow we used earlier with an angle brush and like simply just smiling with your lips just a little bit and following the natural line. Just like this, it will like make your mouth look wider as if like you were always just smiling a little bit. And here you have it. I think it looks really cute. As you can see, I think it looks really cute. It's really nice. The only thing is that like it's good for pictures, but like if you wear it all day, you can't like, you literally cannot mix your lips together and like do this. I'm trying to like do it without like doing it so that you can see I can still have the lipstick that's like that stays where I want it to stay. But like basically I think it looks really cute and definitely will wear that for pictures. I think my lips look like gorgeous. I mean, it looks so good. I really like it. I really enjoy that little lipstick, like lipstick technique. The only thing is that definitely I would need some kind of like lipstick that stays like a lip stain. Oh my god, I just got an idea for another video and we'll do it another time, but for now this is it. I think it looks really cute and I really recommend you guys try it. Thank you guys so much for watching my video and I hope I see you guys in the next one. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I love you all. Have a nice day. Bye bye.